1 million humans on Mars within the next 2 decades. Elon Musk wants to build a city on Mars. He's planning for 1 million residents, and he wants it done in about 20 years. This isn't science fiction, it's Musk's actual goal for SpaceX. The billionaire is dead serious about making humans a multiplanetary species. Musk's vision for Mars is ambitious, and some might say far-fetched. But he's not just dreaming. SpaceX is actively working on the details of a Martian colony. The company has teams dedicated to designing dome habitats for the red planet. They're figuring out what materials to use. Other groups are developing spacesuits to protect against Mars's harsh environment. SpaceX is even looking into whether humans can have children on Mars. Musk's timeline for this Martian metropolis has shrunk dramatically. In 2016, he thought it might take 40 to 100 years. Now he's telling SpaceX employees it could happen in just 2 decades. The journey to Mars is no small feat. It's about 140 million miles from Earth. NASA says the trip could take up to 9 months. That's a long time to be cooped up in a spacecraft. To make the journey possible, SpaceX is developing Starship. It's a massive reusable rocket. It stands nearly 400 feet tall. Musk envisions Starship carrying 100 passengers at a time to Mars. Starship isn't just a glorified bus. Plans for future versions include living spaces with multiple floors. Imagine a running track and a movie theater in space. One concept even shows a violinist performing in zero gravity. Of course, getting to Mars is just the beginning. Living there is a whole other challenge. The planet is a harsh and forgiving place. It's freezing cold, has deadly radiation, and you can breathe the air. Musk has some wild ideas to tackle these problems. He's talked about using thermonuclear explosions to warm the planet. He wants to create artificial suns. It sounds like sci-fi, but Musk is serious about it. For power, the plan involves hundreds of solar panels. These might be built by Tesla, another of Musk's companies. Food is another crucial concern. SpaceX plans to use Starship as a sort of Noah's Ark. It would carry plants and animals on the first voyages. The colonists would then build greenhouses to grow food. Musk isn't stopping at just survival, though. He wants the Mars city to look cool. The designs center around a giant communal dome. Smaller domes would be scattered around it. All of this planning might seem premature. After all, no human has ever set foot on Mars. NASA doesn't expect to land people there until the 2040s. But Musk isn't known for waiting around. His employees at SpaceX seem to share his enthusiasm. Many wear Occupy Mars t-shirts to work. They post ideas for the Mars colony on an internal site. One recent suggestion was to build the city on the side of a giant crater. Of course, not everyone believes Musk can pull this off. Some think he's just trying to outdo Jeff Bezos, who has his own space ambitions. Others say Musk sets impossible deadlines to motivate his team.